All right, guys, back to comedy. Back to comedy. Please relax, relax. Back to comedy. This next guy I'm about to call now is a very funny guy. Oh. This next guy I'm about to call now is a very funny guy. He's one of the comedians I look up to. My friend. He's an idiot. Okay. If you watch Flatmates, he's Barrister Obus. Make some noise for my man, BUCHI. Only for Lagos now, because of this lockdown. Early morning, people will not plan to go anywhere, but just they come out. Early morning for Lagos, you just see people, they trek, they complain. That, because you know when you don't stay house tired, now there you hear people, they say, but other states are enjoying. Why we die here in Lagos? What's going on? And when the lockdown starts, people go, they do different business. Business where they're not planned. And if you notice, the most active people on social media are the jobless ones. Yes, because they don't get work. Early morning, they don't wake up. They press phone. They find artists where they go cause. Now they drag people up and down for Instagram. You know the comment section for Nigeria, they funny past the comments, the posts. Oh, you're there. You're one of the people that drag us. All listen. Oh, wait. Ladies and gentlemen, Iwobi, Okocha's cousin, came to play football. Missed penalty for Super Eagles match. Next morning, they come post them for Insta blog. Those people with the Insta blog, they hate human beings. They hate success. Once they are successful, they wake up hating you. They will never comment anything good. Somebody comment say, Papa died. They say, I'm good for a Papa will die. Now I will be missed penalty. Now they post for Insta blog. We will be misses penalty and loses a chance to qualify Nigeria. If you see comment section, that's what they start. Don't mind the mumu. The day that they carry Dada, like say Dada na go. It will still the same page. Another person come. And that's because he's feeling like Okocha's cousin now. Another person come. Which is Okocha's cousin? Okocha that is in Lekki, carrying small girls. How did we come from here? Those small girls. Okocha wife see the comment, Congo comment. Where exactly in Lekki does he carry these small girls? Okocha friends go to car, oh boy, go comment, oh, your marriage won't break. The guy come, go comment quickly. Ah, baby, don't mind them, oh. I know they carry any small girls, oh. On that one, another person go comment, for your penis enlargement, please call 08033, please. Why are we always enlarging penis in this country? Why are we always enlarging penis? Pastor Deboye, they preach, they put up for Insta blog. They bless the country. This year will be a good year. Somebody get mine, go comment for your boobs enlargement. Please, if you are not a bastard. I know see Nigeria are stubborn, wait. Nigerians are stubborn. Only this country, if you doubt me, wake up tomorrow, go right for your fence. Do not urinate here. Oh! You don't provoke Nigerian spirits. People when no want peace before. When just they go, they say, Oh, but it's waiting the right now. Oh, but come on, peace. We must fight this fence with peace. Oh, but peace. Now you got to this fence, but peace not the cast ridiculous. Peace. We must peace down this fence. Nigerians too stubborn. Only that you see the way they do this show now, they put gates. They get the regular from the VVIP. You know why? Because Nigeria will buy ticket 5,000, go come early. Go sit down for here. Your surname is not Cubana Group. But you just believe, say, since the table empty, you sit that small. Now, problem because with the ushers. Sorry. Can you please go to your regular? You can see them. But we are all human beings. We all came here for the same thing. Nigerians must get reason. Only Nigeria, you they travel abroad. You go online, you see tickets. Business class, 2 million. See Nigerians, for what? Business class? That's too much. Is it that the business class will land before the economy will land? It's not the same plane. You go complain. Only you can go buy ticket, 130,000 to London. Toilet seats, 88F. F for failure. The day where you dey travel, stubborn Nigerians, they go carry 88F. Start from 1A, business class, they check. 88F, 88F. You see those air hostels say, please sir, can we assist you? Hey, I know what I'm doing. Do I look like a child? I know my seat number is 88F. Ogbeni, go back, go to your toilet seat. Nigerians stubborn. And you know, as he sit down for that toilet seat for a mind, hey, they look business class open. He say, nobody sit down for this seat now. What it go really take me to go sit down there? Devil will come tell and say, go, you can do it. The guy with the 88F will come stroke pass. You know, so those air hostess, they are very polite. Then they look at me, they fool themselves, they no talk. They can't go sit down for business class. Because they do like, because they look regular, they wave them. Regular people will call they argue. Hey, now so that guy don't take go. You see this life, now mind. Now mind. This guy go fly business class. Another poor man for them go say, no talk so. Mine not they walk like that too. They think go cash out. They no go cash out. He don't go. And you know so they know they top you. When the plane don't fly, when they don't on light, bing. And then the OSTs will come meet you. Sorry sir. Your ticket, sir. See, Nigerians, they don't cash out. They don't cash out. They don't cash out. The guy gonna do like this. My tickets. I mean, you know me. I'm a passenger. You saw me when I was coming. Sir, your ticket. The guy go call, look back. All the business, the economy class don't do like this. They go cash out. They go cash out. The guy don't fuck up. The guy go call, they do like this. We are all like, you are like a sister to me, if you think of it. I know my seat. What I want you to do is just bring your voice down. Bring your voice down. You see those people who say, please, sir, we need you to go back to your seat. I said, bring your voice down. I have back pain. That's why I'm here. I know my seat. The supervisor will say, sir, we need you to go back to 88F. The entire plane, they call you like, say, they don't know what it happened. They call first throw face. The guy called stand up. Shame, not going to let her raise the head, though. Because they admire the rug. Oh, wow. Nice upholstery. I didn't know that this plane is fine like this. But Nigerians will like trouble. As they pass that, they go say, my brother, how do you now? We wait there, we'll be full. We will not like business. Come on, go to your toilet, my friend. Go to your toilet. Now, there's somebody here that I love so much. Okay, Bakassi. Please put your hands together for us. Okay, Bakassi. I love him so much. Okay, now the one person when I love to take your advice. Because now somebody will be saying, when they go through stress, they always get advice for you. The other time I just go through stress, now go meet Bros. Okay, I say, oh man, I don't tire. Marriage, they stress me. Work, they stress me. Now the guy say, my brother, you need to find somebody fuck. Now, I didn't want to do that, understand? But being an elder, I mean, I need not be like say I disobey him. You understand? So I had to, it's advice. Bros, they laugh. During COVID, this is when I want a true story. Okay, so you can ask him. So when COVID starts, you know, say country got hard for everybody. So one of okay neighbors go meet Bros. Say, Bros, I need 10K. Bros go give her 20K. Bros go give her. The thing got to be like say too much. And one day, I don't want to go meet Bros. Say, Bros, I thought they say moi. So okay, go say moi. How many things where you go say now? Because say Bros, you go patronize me. Now Bros say no problem. Now Bros order first set of moi 10,000. The woman bring 15,000 naira moi call. Now, Bros, okay, fridge don't full with moi. He got a gift. You know when you go visit person, he go pack moi and take away for you. He never finish out. The woman come again. Your mama never finished. She say no. I bring another one, 20,000 twa. No one anytime when you get money, pay me. Now, okay, fridge don't full with moi, deep freezer, cupboard, everywhere and moi. Now, if you dey come, okay, as you go dey call for phone. When you dey come, you dey like moi. Say, no, I know they like more. Okay, go get to go do research on the benefits of moi moi just to convince people to they tap the moi moi for your house. Say, if you not sit down, okay, now you say, do you know that moi moi has 0 cholesterol? Moi moi is good for the heart. I didn't know. My job brings 6 for you. You go say, oh, wait till this moi moi. I don't tell you, I don't like moi moi. Say, no problem, no problem. But today, just in case. Okay, travel. Bros, you don't come back. Say, no, sir. I don't do your moi moi, you don't ready. Okay, God, they ask. Wait till this moi moi. Wait till this moi moi. The one way pay me pass, okay, get to do giveaway. Bros, okay, now be the first commander we use moi moi to do giveaway. Guess what? As they give away the moi moi, the fans they return up. Bros, they here, my true life story. They here. But today we're having an after party somewhere at Club 6, my people. I want to advise you. You know, say now for Lagos, now you go club with big shoulder. When they come back, you don't reduce. Lagos, now they go give you bill, we go clear your eye from alcohol. My brother, you don't, I dey like go club for Lagos around 4 a.m. No argument when you not go here. Hello, hello, hello. Don't shout. Don't raise your voice, my dear. When I came in here, how many of us did you see? The guy go say, 1, God will bless you for that truth. God will bless you for that truth. I did what? I came alone. God will bless your destiny. Please, on this list you are giving me, not be bill again on a list. How many water do you see there? The guy go say 14. I bath for you. Did I bet here? Who drink 14 water? Tony, you take a bath? You know what? Scatter this bill, make everybody pay your own. Go left for Lagos, now you go to say you don't drink, you they come out like this. Oh boy, I don't dare. All those waitresses, where they want food, you now where guys gonna, sir, your bill, sir. You got like this. Hey, come here. What's happening? What's this? They say it's your bill. For the whole year? I say no. Well, it is nice. Who chops snail? Who chops snail? Antonina, you chop snail for Cubana. You go chop snail for Cubana. My salary is gone. That time, how did they call Oga? Hello, sir, please, where are you? One of your friends is here. I don't have any friend. Collect my money if you don't want to lose your job. Only Lagos girls, they go just come club. They get scanner where they say they know who get money. I don't know the juju where they use. As they enter club, as you just enter, they all look you. Antonia, ignore that bastard. He will kill us with Indomie. Leave him. They go just scan you, big. So now, what the Lagos boys they do? Then they go market, Ladipo, they go buy car key. They not get motor. You ask them for Ladipo, do you have Bentley? I say, yes, sir. Give me the key. They go buy Bentley key, 80,000. Put on top table for club, they turn around. I know, say, guess. They know every car by the key. As I see the key, they say, oh my God, is this your car key? You now go come pocket. It's one of my cars. This is the one I use on Fridays. Now, young men, listen to this advice. If you have your car key in a bundle with other keys, look, no guy go talk to you. If your car key is not single, you put keychain, you put toilet key, you put gate key, generator, gate house key got there your waist like tambourine. You don't work out for God to make shh. Once you go meet guy, the guy go say, please, you're blocking my destiny. Come on. Single key always works. Guy go put the single key on top of it, the guy go just sit down by himself. Now, it's very important. If you not get money, come out early. You just see the Lagos boy, babe, where I parked is foul. The girl never knows, so she won't track the track of her life. Where I parked is foul. Shall we be going? I said, oh, you don't go meet her friends. I'm going with the guy in the Bentley. You don't get name, the guy with the Bentley. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye. Bah! Track it don't start. The guy said they speak English. Oh my gosh, Bentley is one of my favorites. It's like my dream car. Track it, they go. The English will call it reduce. Sorry. Oh. Where did you really park, please? The guy goes say, just in front. And because I've been saying just in front. This is 30 minutes now. I'm sweating under my wig. Where you park now? Now, the English could almost finish. 1 hour later, they don't take Third Mainland Bridge. The girl they in pains now. She don't pull her high heel for armpits. My brother, this is where they do me, person go do you. Even if you not get girlfriend, you not get mama, you not get sister, in front, with all the treks is my waist trainer won't kill me. We not every where you park. I'll find you. When you came into the club, I was nice to you. Why you take me the trek? What did I do you? What did I do you? Now I can do that the track they go so. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, Oka, for having me. Thank you. Those of you in the back, why are you not clapping? How dare you? How dare you? Please put your hands together for the man that brought the lion to a comedy show. Put your hands together for FunnyBone.
Make some noise for BUCHI, please. My man.